Hi, my name is Rachel DeZiga, and I'm a 2020 DAC Art-O-Rama artist, and this is where the art happens. Welcome to my studio tour. Over here, I do a lot of different things, and I also teach, so I try to keep things very subdivided and organized as I can. I do a lot of oil paintings. Some of these things have been featured on album covers, and some of them are works in progress. These are things that I'm still working on. Over here, I try to keep things organized by what medium, and then down here is for my workshops. I teach painting in the Guadalupe River, and then I also teach comic book workshops in the summer. So that's a lot of fun. I do a lot of plein air painting around the Texas Hill Country and also the beaches, and I have just massive amounts of local paintings. Super fun. Would love it if you would come and join me with a class. I studied and did my MFA in Florence, Italy, and there I did a lot of printmaking. And so this is all the prints that I'll definitely have in September. And it's a lot of comics and then also different fine etching prints. And it's all on Fabriano paper with handmade inks. Lately I've been super into the beach because it's such a nice getaway. I'm actually going to South Padre this weekend. And these are some recent paintings that I've been working on. They have a nice impasto thick brushwork, and I'm still going to add more birds that's similar to this one. This one was done as a plein air study, and then I came back and worked on the larger one. As well, I also do some ceramics and jewelry making with quartz and different mixed media materials. So thank you so much for coming and checking out my studio. And thank you, DAC Art-O-Rama, because this is where the art happens.